To make the best decisions, you need to understand your data. To understand data, you need to interact with it. This is where KeyLines can help. KeyLines is a toolkit for building game-changing interactive visualizations that turn complex graph data into insight. These visualizations can help your users explore their data, spot patterns, and communicate insight quickly. Let's see an example. This dataset represents email traffic within an organization. There are thousands of emails, each with a sender, recipient, and timestamp. Seeing data like this, it's impossible to gain any useful insight. When those thousands of rows of data are loaded into a KeyLines graph visualization chart, we get a much clearer picture. Here we've modeled people as nodes, and the emails between them as links. If we size the links by email volume, we reveal more about what this network shows. Over here, for example, Bill Williams is sharing lots of emails, but rarely receives any. Our chart is quite cluttered. We can clear some of that using KeyLines' combine function, which groups nodes by shared attributes. In this case, their team. Again, we can see Bill as the only connection between his team and the rest of the company. We found that Bill is a hub, but let's look for some other important people in our network. The KeyLines API offers a number of social network analysis measures. In a single click, we can find nodes with a high degree score, meaning they have many connections to others within the network, or a high betweenness score, which highlights nodes acting as critical paths between different parts of the network. Another useful dimension is time. The KeyLines time bar helps users understand the sequence of events, or whether an activity was confined to a specific time period. We see network trends, specific node activity, and can play the network to watch it evolve over time. The example here shows just some of the functions available in the KeyLines API. With a few lines of JavaScript code, you can deploy layouts to untangle complex networks, add filters to understand larger datasets, or see your networks on a map using KeyLines geospatial analysis. Thanks to the KeyLines integration with the Neo4j REST interface, it's easy to combine the two technologies in your graph analysis applications. The KeyLines chart is a WebGL component, powerful enough to visualize tens of thousands of nodes in a single view, with an HTML5 fallback for compatibility with any web browser. As users interact with the chart, Cypher queries get sent back to Neo4j, which returns a JSON object for KeyLines to visualize. Using the KeyLines API, you can create your own visual appearance and choose the functionality that you need. The result is a visualization tool custom designed for your users, their data, and the questions they need to answer. KeyLines makes it easy for your users to join the dots in their graph data. Visit keylines.com for more information and to try it for yourself.